In today's video, I am going to teach you how to track events using Google Analytics. To track events properly in GA4, there are two parts to understand. First, you need to send the event data from your website to Google Analytics. Second, you need to know where to view and analyze those events inside the Analytics interface. Start by making sure the Google tag, also called gtag.js, is installed on every page where you want to measure interactions. This base tag is required because it establishes the connection between your site and your GA4 property. Without it, events will not be recorded. Once the Google tag snippet is in place, you will add an event snippet for the specific action you want to track. This is done by placing a gtag function call below your existing Google tag code. Keep the event name consistent and descriptive, because you will use that same name later when you review reports. Next, wrap that event call with the right JavaScript logic so it only fires when the user actually performs the interaction you care about. For example, if you are tracking a button click, place the event code inside a click event listener for that button. This prevents false counts and keeps your data clean. After you implement the code, verify that it is working. In GA4, use real-time to see activity as it happens, or use debug view if you are testing on a device or browser with debugging enabled. Verification is important because it confirms that your event is being received before you rely on it for reporting. Now let us walk through where to view events in Google Analytics. Go to the Analytics home screen, then open Reports. From there, go to Events to see a list of collected events and their counts. Click into Event Name to focus on a specific event, and then open the view for event count by event name over time. This helps you see trends and spikes, especially after a site update or campaign launch. Use the highlight option to emphasize key moments in the timeline. Finally, to confirm your tag setup, go to Admin and open Data Streams. Select your website data stream, then choose the option to install manually. Here you can view the Google tag gtag.js snippet and confirm you are using the correct code on your site. That covers everything you need to know.